kotse ba? Feel kotse na. Toyota just updated the Corolla Cross crossover. Pero sa update na ito, hindi lang rivals ang apektado kundi pati ang kapatid niya na Yaris Cross. Yan ay dahil ang starting price ng new Corolla Cross ay mas mababa pa sa top-of-the-line Yaris Cross. Pero, all variants ng Corolla Cross ay hybrid na ngayon. So in this video, let's find out ano bang meron sa updated compact crossover ng Toyota. This is the quick look at the 2024 Toyota Corolla Cross Hybrid. Alam nyo na gagawin, di ba? At sa mga hindi nakasubscribe, nako, sali na sa party ng makuha na natin ang 400,000 subscribers. Tapos, lahat kayo, magbigay ng tig-pipiso sa amin. O syempre, presyo muna tayo. The new Toyota Corolla Cross starts at 1,498,000 pesos for the G trim, 1,763,000 pesos for the V, and 1,917,000 pesos for the top-of-the-line GRS. Tandaan nyo yung presyo niyang G-trim, ha? Kitang-kita naman ano ang bago sa Corolla Cross this time around. It has a new front face with a grille integrated sa front bumper mismo. Hindi siya separate panel. Although for the top-of-the-line GRS trim, meron pa din itong conventional grille giving it a sportier look. Dito naman sa G and V trims, the integrated grille gives it an EV look. Sa rear, halos same-same lang ito sa previous version. Nagkaroon lang ng smoke taillights for the GRS trim and yung GRS and V ay nagkaroon ng powered tailgate with kick sensor. Now, let's talk about the engine. Sabi ko nga nung una, wala na itong gas engine only model. All variants now come with the hybrid setup. So meron itong 1.8 liter engine with an electric motor giving it a total output of 122 horsepower and 142 Newton meters of torque paired to a CVT. Yan yung sinabi ko sa simula na medyo sibling rivalry dahil ang Yaris Cross Hybrid ay top of the line only and priced at 1,598,000 pesos. Habang itong bagong Corolla Cross na mas malaki at all hybrid ang variants ay may starting price of only 1,498,000 pesos or 100,000 pesos cheaper. Pero di pa yan ang buong story, so babalikan uli natin mamaya. Other standard features dito sa new Corolla Cross ay 2-beam LED headlights, LED daytime running lights and fog lights, rain-sensing wipers, and auto-folding side mirrors. Sa loob, sa wakas, meron na itong electronic parking brake with auto brake hold, smart entry with push start button, eco, power, and EV drive modes, dual zone climate control, 10-inch touchscreen with wireless Apple CarPlay and wireless Android Auto, and wireless charger. Sa safety naman, it comes with 7 airbags as standard as well as rear sensors and rear camera. Kapag nag-move up ka to the V-trim, magkakaroon ka ng sequential turn signals, reverse link side mirror, powered tailgate with kick sensor, leather seats, 8-way power adjustable driver's seat. Meron din itong Toyota Safety Sense that includes pre-collision system, automatic high beam, lane tracing assist, lane departure assist, and dynamic radar cruise control. Sinamahan pa nila ng rear cross traffic alert and blind spot monitoring. Now sa GRS model, merong bigger 18-inch GRS wheels, smoked LED taillight, dito lang may panoramic sunroof, 12.3-inch all-digital gauge cluster and 360 camera system. So balik tayo sa sibling rivalry. Yun lang ang advantage ng Yaris Cross kahit mas malit ito. Dahil sa presyo niya, magkakaroon ka na ng all bells and whistles. Dito naman sa Corolla Cross, sa starting price ito, oo, hybrid nga, pero wala kang Toyota Safety Sense, which is nice to have, lalo na sa road situation dito sa Pilipinas. Again, the Corolla Cross G is priced at 1,498,000 pesos. The V is at 1,763,000 pesos, while the GRS is at 1,917,000 pesos. Mahapdi na ang top of the line, no? Wala eh. Ganyan talaga sa buhay. Lahat nagmamahal, except sa akin. That's it for this quick look of the new Toyota Corolla Cross. Let's see ano pa ang pasabog ng Toyota this year, lalo na may mga models ito na kailangan ng i-update. That's it from me. I'm your host, Stanley Chi, ang yung senpai ng turbuhan. Alam niyo kung saan ako i-follow, ha? Sa social media, kumpleto ko niyan. Dali, follow na. So, paano ba yan? Kita-kits tayo sa next video, dito lang sa Phil Kotse. Bye-bye! Thanks for watching. For the latest news, reviews, and anything you want to know about cars and car ownership, visit philcoche.com. Follow us on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, and Spotify para hindi ka huli sa usapan. Tandaan, kotse ba? Philcoche na!